Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 English Grammar, lesson number 23, Proverbs. In our previous video we have completed our exercise A. Okay, so today we are going to start with the exercise B. Read the sentences and write the appropriate proverbs for each. So what you have to do in this exercise? You have to find out appropriate proverbs for each sentence. We have one helping box here, you can see, with some famous proverbs. Okay, so let's learn about what's all the proverb says. What this all the proverb says. Okay, a friend indeed is a friend indeed. So what it say? This proverb says that a friend who will help someone when help is needed is a true friend. Now second one, honesty is the best policy. So what this proverb says? This proverb used to say that telling the truth is better than lying even when it is hard to do. Okay. Now third one, fortune favors the brave. Fortune favors the brave. So what this proverb says? This proverb says that who face problems with determination and courage are the ones who attain massive level of success. Now fourth one, a man is known by the company he keeps. It means that any person's reputation depends upon his or her association or friends he has. Now last, east or west, home is the best. So what this proverb says? This proverb says that wherever you travel in the world, your home is the best place to be. It is a resting of the more familiar. There is no place like home. Okay. Now let's see the sentences. First one, the king's army was small, yet he fought bravely and won the war. So which proverb suits on this sentence? It's a fortune favors the brave. Who face problems with determination and courage are the ones who attain massive level of success. Okay. So here we have to write fortune favors the brave. Okay. Now the second one. Ankur was friendly with the boys who broke the classroom window. Hence he got punished even though he was innocent. So what will come, students, here? Which is the appropriate proverb for this sentence? It's a, you can see, it's a man is known by the company he keeps. Okay, this proverb says that, this proverb means that any person's reputation depends upon his or her association or friends he has. Okay, so this proverb we have to write here. A man is known by the company he keeps. Now the third one. The wealthy industrialist choose the most honest manager as his hire. So what will come here, students? Which is the appropriate proverb for this sentence? It's a honesty is the best policy. So we have to write here, honesty is the best policy. Okay. Now the fourth one. He was a widely travelled man, but he loved his country the most. So what will come here? Which is the appropriate proverb for this sentence? It's a east or west, home is the best. Wherever you travel in the world, your home is the best place to be. Okay? There is no place like home. Now, fifth one. Nitin helped Rahul when everyone else refused to. So, which is the appropriate proverb for this sentence? It's a friend indeed is a friend indeed. A friend who will help someone when help is needed is a true friend. Okay, so we have to write here, a friend indeed is a friend indeed. Okay, okay students, so here our lesson number 23 complete. Now you have to write exercise B as your homework. Okay students, thank you.